Hi everyone, please join me. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet simple flower with 6 petals. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 6 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain. I will not use it. Work into the ring. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. I will remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm done 12 single crochet into the ring. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be the last round of my flower, so my flower consists of 2 rounds only. Continue, make a chain, insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before, make single crochet. Then single crochet through the next stitch. Let's start the first petal. For this, make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once I have done the foundation chain for my petal, then make a chain. Then I'm making single crochet, not finish. On the chain, I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, away from the hook, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through first loop, like this. Then I'm going to work around the chain. In total it should be 15 of them. First one is ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Here what I have at this point, I hold all loops with my finger. I remind you, I have got 15 single crochet not finish on the chain. Yarn over the hook, pull through first loop like this, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook and pull through first 2 loops like this, pull through 2 loops, 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 and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have at this point. So my petal shouldn't be twisted. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the single crochet. So from this point I started my leaf. Take the working loop, pull it through. Continue, turn the work like this. Make a chain. Continue. Insert the hook into the next single crochet that I worked before. Make single crochet. So my petal is ready. So it is very simple and quick to make petal. You just need to know how to work with single crochet on the chain, chains and single crochet. You can use such method not only in flowers but in another projects. I remind you, my flower consists of only 2 rounds. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, and let's make the second petal. Then single crochet through the next stitch, then chain of 7 for the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then chain more. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet on the chain, like this. I'm not finishing my single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. And let's complete my petal. Yarn over the hook, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. So my petal shouldn't be twisted, please check it. Insert the hook into the same single crochet, take the working loop, pull it through. turn the work like this. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. Make single crochet. My second petal is ready. I straight up my petals. I have done 2 petals. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this flower with me. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Pull it and secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn. I straight up my petals and I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. So that's it, my project is ready. My flower consists of 6 petals and has 2 rounds only. As you can see, I added a bit to the center of the flower. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be part of big project, such as Irish or Decor laces. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!